Let's learn how to make this cute flower in just 5 minutes. We'll start with the magic ring. Wrap the yarn around two of your fingers like this. Insert the hook under the first strand. Hook the second strand and pull up a loop. Then yarn over and pull to the loop on your hook. Now to make the petals, we'll chain 4. Yarn over and pull to the loop. That's your first chain. We'll make more 3 of those. Now we'll make 3 treble crochet. Yarn over twice, insert the hook into the magic ring and pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull to the first 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull to the next 2. Yarn over and pull to the last 2 loops. And that's your first treble crochet. We'll make more 2 of those. Then we'll chain 4 again. And make a slip stitch in the magic ring. Insert the hook into the magic ring, pull up a loop and pull directly to the loop on your hook. And that's your slip stitch. And this is our first petal. We'll make a total of 5 petals. We'll follow the same thing to make the remaining petals of the flower. Chain 4, make 3 treble crochet, chain 4 again and then a slip stitch. After making the 5 petals, we'll pull the yarn tail and tighten the flower. Then we'll chain 1 and fasten off. Then we'll stitch the remaining yarn tails into the flower. And here our heart is ready within just 5 minutes.